So we had some IntoResin moulds come about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and I ordered the Crystal Frog from IntoResin. But when they came, Kirk said first dibs.
Yep.
Rude.
Yes, I did.
Rude.
Yeah. Hey, folks, welcome to the channel.
Why is that funny? Come on, get on with it.
So, I tidied my desk for this, and I'm also using Nikki's glitter.
For anyone who has just skipped the beginning bit, this is Kirnix Creations. You're on the right channel, and that is Kirk's desk.
Yes.
It really was that clean, and he did do it.
So I thought I wanted to try something different. So I thought I'd use your glitter.
Mm-hmm.
It did take you a little while to relent and let me actually at the glitter.
That's not strictly true.
No, because you said you choose a glitter and then I'll approve it.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So this is I'm going to do I wanted a contrasting colour. So I wanted to do the top of the top of the frog, the top of his legs in an orange, and then a contrasting colour for the rest of it. And I went for a blue.
Yes. Can I just, for clarity, say that the blue you chose originally and that I approved is not the blue that you used.
No, because I was looking
used
at
an unauthorized blue.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah. So I've filled it up a little bit, and I'm just doing his toenails. Maybe toenails or the pads.
Toenails?
Yeah.
Frogs don't have toenails.
Well, this one does.
They do not have toenails.
Okay.
They have little suckers on the end of their toes, don't they?
His toe suckers.
We're not calling them that.
And I've just gone through and I've just put in one little piece of glitter in the toenail.
Mm-hmm.
Now, normally, aren't you supposed to put glue in the glitter to stop it from sinking?
Now there's two schools of thought regarding glue and glitter. So the glue and glitter, I'm pretty sure, originally started with Daniel Cooper. And I've certainly put glue and glitter loads of times. And it's sort of 1 drop to 10 mils or something like that. And it does. But then I watched another video by someone else whom I can't remember. If I remember before this video goes out, I will actually link it in the description, where they say that you should absolutely never, ever, ever put glue in with glitter because the PVA is a water-based glue or something. I don't really.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Well,
but I've never had a problem with anything I've ever put glue into.
I was just thinking because.
But I have stopped now. I don't do it anymore.
The glitter in the frog actually sank down to the top and it all clumped together.
Yeah, but if you'd have if you let the resin heat up a little bit, like you would for a bloom, for example, it's a lot thicker.
Wait till it get a bit thicker. Yeah.
Then it doesn't sink. But because all you want is that thicker consistency.
Well, maybe I'd know that if you let me use your glitter more often.
Moving on swiftly.
Okay. So I've done the frog, the top bit of the frog. I've done a bit of the bow tie, and then I've done the paw. And this is the
puppy bear.
The puppy bear.
Yeah.
Because you did it in clear and it wasn't you couldn't see it very well in the glamour shots.
No, so you did it again.
So I did it again with the spare.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the next day, and I'm using a bit of midnight blue resin dye.
Mm-hmm.
And I put a couple of drops in there because I saw the orange and how it's sunk.
Yeah.
And I didn't want it all to sink down and have the bottom clear.
Yeah.
And then the rest of it, all the glitter just hanging around the top.
Yeah.
So I put a bit of blue in there just in case. And then this is the This is a butterfly mould.
Yeah, now that mould, when I opened it, I did think, what on earth is that? And even when you'd filled it up, I was like, okay.
Yeah. I mean, it was a couple of dramas, but it was quite a pain to take the bubbles out.
It was ever so pretty. It is, spoiler, ever so pretty.
I was really surprised, actually.
It is really pretty.
If you spend a minute or two just getting the bubbles out, it is a bit messy because it uses such a tiny amount, and squishing the bubbles out, it did take me a minute or two, but it's... I
wonder if you could get a UV light through there. I'll have to have a look at the mould.
I reckon you could, actually. Because the mould itself...
It's not super opaque, is it?
No, I think the light would actually go through that.
Yeah,
so
I think it
would be all right.
I need to have a look at that.
I must say, though, that these moulds are really good. That frog mould, the stands, the supports and that for it are really good.
Yeah.
And it was really nice just because I could play around with it.
Yeah,
and I knew that it wasn't going to...
We're used to... So the one on the left is the one that was an approved glitter.
Yeah. No, I was looking at it, and then I was looking at the orange, and I was thinking, well, I don't know. And I thought the darker blue would look a bit better. I wasn't convinced that the lighter one, even though it had a more variety of colours, I think the dark one would look better.
See, now the blue one, again, is my own personal mix.
Yeah. And while I'm mixing the Nikki's glitter, she wanted to say...
Did anyone actually see how much you put in there?
Yeah, loads. A quick thank you to our Glitterati members.
I can't watch.
For supporting the channel and allowing me to distress Nikki with the use of glitter. And you get an extra special. Thank you very much. What's wrong with that anyway?
That's a huge amount of glitter. Yeah. You don't need that much.
I've seen what you put into some of yours.
You don't even appreciate it.
I did. I did. I did appreciate it because I was chuckling to myself while I was doing it, thinking Nikki's going to go nuts when she sees this. And I was right.
I'm going to need a paper bag.
Okay.
Yep, gonna need one.
So I was just trying to get the resin into the toes. Now, I don't know whether it was how I'd had the mould or whether I'd just not put enough in, but one of the legs was just a little too thin. But the other side, the left leg was okay, but the right leg was just a little thin. Now, the ribbon bit on that bow tie, that was quite tricky to get all the resin down there and make sure there was no bubbles. But again, if you spend a minute or two just
squishing,
just playing around and poking it.
I suppose the thing with using a colour is you can actually see where the resin is and you can see the bubbles.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
that was quite useful.
And I do think that if you've got glitter in something, it is incredibly forgiving for bubbles.
What, with the glitter?
Yeah, if you put glitter in something, the sparkle allows it, whatever it is, to be forgiving if there's one or two bubbles. So the moment of truth.
Yeah. So the little flutterby. Now, I was a little worried that even though I'd really given it a really good squidging around, I was still worried that there might have been a bubble in there, but it was actually bubble free.
Yeah, it was.
And I was like, oh, wow, that's actually
and it's really pretty.
It is really pretty. I did a thing.
You did. I was very impressed by that.
I couldn't see the blue because that was the resin with the blue ink.
But it is beautiful. It's the tiniest mold. I think it's the tiniest mold we've got, and it is probably one of the prettiest.
It is really pretty, and I think that would look good on a charm or something. Now the paw, you can't really see it there, but I do put a bit of black UV in there too, so you can actually see the actual paw print. But again, you can see where the glitter has sank.
But I think that works. That works really well in that particular pendant.
I don't think it worked too well in the bare pup dog thing.
The puppy bear.
Yeah, that one.
I think it did. Because it gives him like a solid face. I like it. I like the sunken look. I think it's cool.
I'd have rather it covered
Well,
the whole thing, but
I know.
this one I was really surprised at. I really liked this one. I thought maybe it's all going to sink, but because this one was
Quite
such a thin one, when it went into the little dips and just pulled there, and it I think that was really pretty. I was really pleased with that.
I think it's really pretty.
Now, do you think that my colour choice on the blue, do you think that one was the right choice?
Nope.
Of course you do.
No. It was not an approved choice. And that's all we need to worry about.
Okay. Well, it's a bit late now, isn't it?
No, because I shall supervise next time. See, the circle of trust has now been broken.
There was no trust there. You wouldn't even let me actually get the box myself. You had to pass it to me.
Yeah, but I shan't pass you the box next time. I'll just give you the one.
This was really nice to demould, though.
Mm.
It was. I did put it in the G3, so it's still a little bit.
He's still a bit bendy.
Flexible, but it was. Yeah, it was. And there he is.
See, I think it's really pretty. And I think the fact that the eyes stayed clear
because the
was really cool.
Yeah, because the glitter sank, his eyes were actually clear, which I thought was quite a it was a
cool
lucky
effect.
happenstance.
Yeah. But no, I think he's really pretty.
He's definitely glittery.
He looks very jewelled. He looks like he's been blinged up.
He is blinged
Big
up.
time. Big time.
So the overall effect, what I wanted, I've managed it. It's just that I would rather the glitter not like clumped together.
Maybe
But
don't
no, I was really
use
pleased with
so
it.
much.
And then it was after the glamour shots.
Indeed. There they are.
And there they are.
So,
and this time you can't see the butterfly.
Well, no, that's as good as it gets.
Yeah.
That's as good as I could photograph it. But if you notice, it's on the very centre of the turntable.
Yes.
Anyway, if you have enjoyed our creative sort of chaos, YouTube Wizardry is about to suggest another video that you might enjoy just as much.
Mm.
And if you've liked this one, please do help us out by hitting the like button. And if you're on a mobile, please do feel free to hype us up.
And while you're down there hyping us up, why not give the subscribe a little poke as well?
And if you already have,
thank you very much.
And on that note, hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.